warning in effect from 1 p.m. Sunday to 6 p.m. Monday. What? West winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? Portions of central and northern New Jersey and east central and southeast Pennsylvania. When? From 1 p.m. Sunday to 6 p.m. Monday.
Oh, shit.
Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines.
Historic
Widespread
storm.
power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive. Winter weather advisory.